Okay, kasi ako nakuha yung boss ko, so welcome back. Not really, pero... so, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game. Di dahil kasi weekends at wala akong magawa. So, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game ulit. At yun ay Seijun Drop. Japanese horror game kung saan ay tutulungan natin ang kaklase natin na hanapin ang little brother niya. Or kapatid niya. Hindi ko ba ito nag-English? Alright, wait lang. Ngayon ko na ito tinry eh. Okay, Ben? Okay, okay Ben? Ngayon ko na to tinatry sa model ko. Alright, let's start. At pagkatapos to, maglalaro tayo ng League, of course. Alright, let's play. New game. Right. My name is Chugumi Yoneda. Sana tama yung pronunciation ko. I'm a high school student. Summer break has come to an end and we all had to go back to school. No, yun yung pinaka pangit na araw. Sorry. But something has changed. There is a new girl in our class. Her name is Yukio Awashima. I tried to talk to her, but she turned out to be an outcast type and preferred to be alone. Oh shit, protagonist. But I was pretty persistent, and it worked. She reached out to me today. She looked very frustrated. She told me that yesterday she took her little brother to play at an abandoned apartment building at the outskirts. Why? Bakit mo yung ginawa? Yun yung tanong, ba't mo ginawa yun? Bakit abandoned na building ba? Hindi naman pwede sa perya na lang? Sa amusement park na lang? It's strange. I never played with anyone around that place. Here in my school, we all heard about those apartments. Nice. The whole complex was built many years ago and got abandoned due to very poor living conditions. There are also some rumors telling stories about a brutal Yakuza outfit that terrorists people living there, or a ghost of a girl hunting the buildings. I doubt those are true, especially the second one. I don't know. Oh, actually, Yakuza. Oh. Still, the problem is, Awashina's brother, Yuta, disappeared somewhere while they were playing. He's still missing, but kasi sa abandoned na building kasi kayo naglaro. He asked me to help her look for him. After classes, we went to the apartment complex. Apartment. Oh my god! This is me, man. Look at me. Ah, shit. Oh my god. Oh nga, may pagka PS2 na, na vibe. What's up? This is me. Sorry, Yukio, wait lang. Pa ako sa, yun. What's up, girl? I really hope he's okay. Hey, where are we going? Ah, dito. Dito. Right. Go in, Yukio. Okay, ako, nakakamiss yung mga gantong laro ay may pagka PS2 na vibe. Dark and murky. I think we should split. This way, have bigger chance of finding Yuta. Or may chance na pwede tayong mamatay. Good idea. Oh my god. I will check the first floor. You can go upstairs. Alright. Thank you so much for helping, Yoneda. I really mean it. And please, be careful. You too. I'll see you upstairs. Mga gantong abandon na... Oy, shit, gagi. Naging first person. Mailboxes. Hindi haven't been checked in a while. Yung naging first person. Kaya pala yung nasa settings. I haven't been checked in a while. Alright. Going. Hola. There's an old newspaper. Damage if someone must have spilled a drink on it. It says something about a missing person case from a while ago. So may nawala na talaga dito. Hello. Wait, it's stall door. They're slightly open but won't budge. It's nice something's blocking them from the inside. I may be able to reach underneath but I can't see anything. It's actually unbearable though. Hey. So freaking dark. Ang dilim. Hindi ako makita. Oh my god. Fire alarm. I shouldn't touch it if there's no real danger. I doubt it even works though. Lock. Is lock. Is that Yukio? Yoneda? Awashima, is that you? I can see you. Have you found Yuta on the first floor? Shall we go check the upper floors? You're very kind. I'm terrible. For tricking you like that. Huh? What? I could very heard myself back when we were at the school. Oh, Shiva? So, as I was talking, I'm at my limit here. Seriously, what did you do to me? I have a secret that nobody knows about. You say, Uy, gagi! Wow. What are you? Uy, puta! Yuki, oh, wait lang. Wait lang. Sa puta kino. Ah, shit. So, anong kailangan ko gawin? Walang flashlight, walang shit. Hey, there's nothing here. If only may flashlight ako, no? Oh, I can hide here. That seems to be broken. I can't get this open. The hell are we? So, where am I supposed to go bago yun? Grabe, dilim. I was supposed to meet Awashima on this floor. Better find her first. Ano nangyari kapag umalis tayo? Nangyari kapag din natin siya tinulungan? Lagi yun, ah. It won't budge. Kasi close it a little hard. Oh shit. So wala rin takas. Dapat takbo ako dito, no? Right. That's the plan. Ito yung plano natin. Kasi literal. Alam ko pwede tayo umalis sa sa baba. Sa exit. Saan kami pinanggalingan? Wala pala. Yeah, hindi ka na. Pwede ko siya saruduin. Pineda. Yes. I found you on the first floor. Should I go check the upper floors? You're very kind and I'm terrible. For checking you like that. You see, I can very hold my shit back. We may are scared. Gagi. Gagi, ang bilis niya. Gagi, ang bilis. Putang ina mo. Ano yun? Ang bilis niya. Ay, feeling ko tataas tayo dito. Dito tayo tataas, no? Try natin. Alam ko nakita ko sa mga comments na sobrang hirap daw ng puzzle na to. Na literal parang andaya eh. Pero try natin. Tingnan mo yung hype na yun, no? I'm skipping this. Hype na mukha na yun. Taas tayo. Taas lang. Oh my god. Ano gawin natin? Saan tayo, ano? Nagtago na ako dito. Fuck you, Yukio. Takbo mo. Alright, so what are we supposed to do here? Hello? Anwa. Young Yakuza who killed his boss sentenced to 10 years in prison. Seems like the rumors about Yakuza from around this place can't be true. Habang pwede kunin dito? Right, I guess let's check all, tingnan natin lahat ng mga pwede buksan. Where are you supposed to go? Kailangan hanapin na yun. Okay na, sana may flashlight ako, pero walang flashlight dito eh. Can't get this open. Can't do anything. If only kita ko yung mga dito, pero hindi eh. Oh my god. Di ba taas yung brightness? Yan. Ay, fuck. Yagi. Ano to? Parang nawala na yung takot. Fucking hell, man. So, wait. Okay, much better. Okay, mas okay ba to? I shouldn't touch her if there's no real danger. Girl, may real danger na dito. Yung kaklase mong hayop. Napatay tayo. Nakailang floors pala tayo nung tumaas tayo. Gagi, ay dito siya. Sabi ko na yung AI niya ganun eh. Ayun na mararama mo nandun siya eh. May sound effects siya eh. I think kailangan ko siya papuntahin sa taas para makababa ako. Wait lang. I think natin siya hintayin dumaan muna. Puta. Kadadaan ako dun, tumatakbo na siya. The freak man. The freak, Yukio. Ano pinag-go? Ay, mo palabasin dito. Ano nang gawin dito? Hindi, yung problema dito, hindi mo siya pwede outrun. Yun ang tinry ko eh. Ay, tangin na! Ow. What's your old poster hanging on the board? Nothing worth attention. Wait, there is some note scribbled with a pencil. To Superintendent, I found storage key. It took me with me for the time being. Come to my house and take it. Koshimizu 310. I wonder if the key is still there. Koshimizu's 310. 310. Lock. Nandito eh. So how do we get in? Baka meron ditong ano? May way. There has to be a way. There is no way. Wala nang pag-asa. Kakain na lang tayo kay Yukio. Ano, gagi? Ayan ako. Paano mo malalaman kapag wala na si Yukio dun? Ano naman yan? Lagi, every time na nandito ako, mas malapit na siya. Eh, diyan ka pala. Ay, balik ka pala sa kwarto mo. Kagi, nakataas na siya. Ah! Nakataas. Okay, pwede siya tumaas. I think... The second floor. Second floor. Sinaraduhan eh. I need her to get here. I wonder where she... I wonder nasan siya. O sabi boba siya. Nasa baba na siya ng floor na to. So, technically nasa third floor siya. I need to get her to her room. Okay, nasa kwarto na ako niya. I just need to... Ano ko, papasok siya dito eh. So, hinabol niya ako sa top floor at bumalik na siya sa second floor kung saan yung kwarto niya. Wait, nasa kwarto na ako. So, what's left? Ano na? Uy, di ko sinara yung pintuan eh. Oh, pumasok siya, gagi. Oh. Alright, alright. To use this. Oh, room 302. 311. Wait lang. 308, 307, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ay, tangin na. Sa baba pa. Fuck. Tinrap ko sarili ko, gagi. Putang ina. Mahirap. Ba't ganun? Ayaw niya pumunta sa kwarto niya. 3. Ito? Ay, yung unang kwarto sa right. Alright, we're here. Handa na, baka nandiyan pa siya. Like to see. Ay, yung flashlight. Use beam, it should work. Press F to turn on your flashlight. Flash at your inventory. Angit! Lock. Room 303, 302 key. 8? So, what else can we do here? Ayun. First floor master key. First floor. So, elevator unlock possibilities on the first floor with it. Which enter your inventory, alright. Oh, here. Floor covered in blood. Right, dirty labor launcher. Roof entrance key. Roof entrance. I can access of the building with it. Interesting attitude. Roof entrance. Roof na. Right? Gagi. Ay, nako. Ulit tayo lahat. Eh, never mind. Nice. So, nandito na siya. Pagkabukas ko. Where is this? Is this the roof? This is the roof. There is some weird graffiti on the wall. 7-2. What the fuck? I don't know if it holds any meaning. Ah, okay. Saving. Post muna natin. Oh shit, yung number sa baba. 7. Oh shit. Right, nandito siya. Please. No. Stop. Stop, please. Please. Baka pumunta dito, please. I-check nila lahat ng floors. Shit. Eh, kailangan ko siya tumaas. Eh, gagi. Yung may hirap talaga, di mo talaga alam kung nasan siya. Not working. So technically may kailangan pa tayo buksan. Ay, gagi ka. Hi. Hello. Ano yung binubuksan niya kanina pa? I think titry yung buksan yung kung nasan ako. Oh my god. Hindi tayo matatapos dito. Wait. Eh, no? Room 310. 310! Putang ina. Oh, huwag mo sabihin na nandito na kanina pa yung susi sa simula pa. I have to go back. Ayop, parang ayoko na. Oh, puta, mahal na yun ako. Technically, ganun talaga. Kala ko yung susi na yun, 310, ay nung unang pasok pa lang namin ni Yukio dito, hindi pala. Oh my god, papaikuti ka pa dito. Okay na sana kung alam ko na asan yung halimaw. Ayop. Wala ako makaportrait dun sa isang kwarto. Dun sa malayo. Para makita ko nasan siya. Oh, nako. That one switch looks oddly clean. Should I give it a try? Or is now turned on? Right, we just have to wait. Ngayon, ito yung mahirap kasi since hindi ko na sila nakikita. I am not. Hindi ako manghuhula. Ano nyo? Ayop. Ayop yung nag-spawn siya doon. Gagi ah. Or the face looks damaged. I wonder if I could go through it. The pangs under are weird. It's only the piece of cloth left. Something in the pocket. Room 309K added to your fucking hell! Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Mas lalo na, dito ba ako nag-save? Ito ba yung save? Ha? Papalikin mo ako. Wait. Nag-spawn siya nung umalis ako sa storage eh. Doon sa may keypad. Kung sabihin wala na siya ngayon. Dito. Dapat nandito na siya eh. Wala siya. There seems to be broken. I can't get this open. Bumalik siya. Okay, nawala siya nung Tinry ko hanap yung wire cutter pero okay, makikita niya ako either way. Alright. What's up, man? Puta, boba pala siya. Kala ko tumaas siya. Oh, nako. Yes, naka pa. Yes. Laki pala na ito, no? Right, so what's next? Oh. Gano'n pa ito katagal? Barrier on the balcony is damaged. On our way here, I noticed that the door to the building are open. It would be my way out. If only I could reach it somehow. Wait, we have to find a ladder here. Nandito siya, no? So, technically naka-save na. So, ito ganitong klase ng mga taguan. Gusto ko makita ko paano siya gumalaw dito. Oddly quiet. Huh? Came from up there. Somebody there? Isn't it coming my way? But she's almost naked. Hey, stay back! You hear me? Oshima? First into the fog. Where did she go? Kaya hanapin ko. Oh! It is her. Alright. Don't tell me na ano lang siya. I think it's open. She's naked. Ooh, sorry. Right? Hindi ko alam kung anong problema sa kanya. But we need... Wala ko yung mangyayari dito. Ay, bibigyan natin siya ng ano. Ano yun? Damit. Ay, we're friends again. Parang hindi mo pa pinapatay ako kanina. House key. Let's go back to Yuki. You okay? Oh, a gun! What the frick? Bunch of coins lying on the table. Not much, but it may come in handy. With coins. A gun. Should I take it? Guess I'll take it. Press right mouse button to fire. Gun on the turn inventory. Which is gun. Oh. Uy, puta ka! Ashley slowly slid on the ground. A body of a girl appeared in her spot, and the blood started to spread around it. I could faintly hear her calling out my name. I panicked. I ran back to the flat where I found the gun. I wanted to put it back in its place. Something was different. The blood on the wall. It faded away. When I went back outside, the body was gone. The end. May multiple endings daw to. Innocence loss. Wait, bad ending yun? What was I supposed to do? Wait, that's me, right? Ako yan, di ba? Ako sabihin na trauma ako. Oh shit. Namatay. Is what you wanted all along? Dude, tumakbo ka sa akin. Anong gagawin ko? We will always be together. Wait, anong explanation yun? So, pinatay natin siya. Pero sa huli, nakita natin na nasa part, nasa bahay na tayo, di ba? At nandun siya sa, ano. Alright, so yung isang endings ay parang ano lang, na-trauma lang talaga siya. Hindi niya pinatay, iniwan na lang niya si, ano dun, si Yukio dun. Oh my, kasi yun yung isang ending kung nakatakas ka at di mo ginamit yung baril. Ako, ginamit ko yung baril eh. Puta, self-defense yun ah. Hindi ko nagawa isang ending kasi literal tumakbo si Yukio sa harap ko eh. Sobrang lapit niya eh. Instinct na binaril ko siya eh. So, yeah.